You're on the vlog.
Oh.
You're saying that on the vlog.
It's my favorite food.
All right, well, if you saw our last video, you know that we are at this place called Four Winds Casino. It's in Michigan, and we drove all this way here from our house in Florida to see our our apartment in Wisconsin. We're visiting family in Wisconsin and our apartment there. So we figured we'd make a trip out of it and just take the RV. So we're about 3.5 hours from home. This seemed like a good pit stop to make. And my mom met us here, as you just saw.
Yep.
She's never seen the RV before too, so it was pretty cool getting to show her the RV. But yeah, we're excited. She's got a hotel room as well. We don't, we're just gonna stay in the RV. But we will get to use a hot tub since she's renting a room, which will be nice.
I don't think I'm up, but I still would.
Good morning, guys. Well, we didn't do too bad at the casino last night. Everyone pretty much broke even. I know my mom won quite a lot, but then put some back in. And Willow and I didn't do too bad. Pretty much broke even, so it was good. Peaceful night here. We did have like a semi-truck pull up, but just was a little bit loud. And then it rained. And honestly, the rain was pretty peaceful. So today we are headed to get Al's Beef in Chicago, which is the Italian style beef, if you've heard of that before. And we're really excited because we've been really itching to get it ever since we moved to Florida. It's just like, even if we flew back to Wisconsin, it's not really ideal to like drive all the way to Chicago. So now we are passing through, and we're not going to pass up this opportunity. Willow's favorite food.
Yes, Italian beef is my favorite food. Italian beef is my favorite food. And Al's is the best Italian beef that you can ever have. It is better than anything you could ever have. So, I'm losing my train of thought. Sorry, guys. The dog is acting insane.
What, do you agree?
Remy can't have it, but she's very jealous.
Yes.
So, we just went inside to eat breakfast, and now we are packing up so that we can make the trek into the city, which we're a little nervous about because obviously we have the RV, so I'm kind of nervous about parking, but for Al's, we will do anything.
Yeah.
So.
Yep. So, we'll see you guys there.
See you there. All right, we have the Italian beef. Let's see what we got. Remy is hoping for something for her. Fries. Paul gets his hot peppers on the side. This is mine. Dipped with hot peppers. Paul gets his wet with no hot peppers. Paul doesn't like it too soggy. Ooh. Little life hack. To help you access your fries. There we go. And our side of gravy so that we can dip our French fries into the au jus. And of course, cannot forget Paul's Diet Pepsi.
Well, that was definitely worth all of the effort we went through to get it. And Thankfully, because our RV is like a good size RV, which is one of the reasons we went for the Coachman Prism. I mean, we were able to just park literally on the side of the road in the middle of Chicago, which is great because otherwise, Italian beef, they like get soggy really fast. You really want to eat them right away. And I mean, we just literally drove like a block down the road and were able to just chill and eat it in our home, which is cool. You really can't do that anywhere else. And we were able to wash our hands after, which is good because normally like when we would come here, we tried to like eat it outside of the car and then we're trying to use like hand sanitizer and it's just a mess. So this is the way to do it, honestly, if I had to do it again. So yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and continue our drive back home.
Alrighty, you guys. So Paul is outside refilling the DEF. We are at Quick Trip in Wisconsin. We're about 45 minutes away from our house. It's been a very short day of travel, but it's felt really long. But we're just getting really excited to be home in our... Someone's asking him about the RV. I have literally never been able to get somebody on camera. People always stop and ask us about our really cool RV. Okay, so obviously Paul's filling up the DEF, but we oftentimes, pretty much at least once every trip we've ever taken, no matter how long or short the trip is, people stop and want to talk about our RV, you know, where we got it, how much it was, what kind of RV it is, how big it is, where we're going. So it's always fun to meet people.
10 out of 10 do not recommend this DEF from Quick Trip. It's really hard to get the funnel on.
Yeah, we usually buy the Blue DEF, I think is what it's called, or something like that. Blue DEF. Yeah. This is the brand. As you can see, it's super wintry here. So, here's Quick Trip. Like I said, we are happy to be going to our apartment. It's gonna be really cozy. I've got big plans to make our apartment even cozier. Paul just tried to pour the DEF in and it spilled all over the front of the car. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, so like I said, that guy who was out there, it's kind of crazy because he came up to me and the first thing he said is, he's like, is that an RV? Like, he didn't even actually know if it was an RV or not. So that's why I really, really like our Coachman Prism, is because it really skirts the line of like, people don't really know what it is. It's like nothing they've ever seen before because it just looks so cool. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. And we like that people don't always know whether it's an RV. Like, they obviously know if they like look at it, but it doesn't have all of the like flashy things all over it. And obviously that's just preference. That's what we like. I don't know. It looks clean. But he was saying that he knew someone that had a van and that the van just wasn't kind of like a little too claustrophobic for him. And we were telling him the same thing. Like, that's kind of how we felt too. Like, maybe we could do van life, but this is like the best of both worlds because we're on the Sprinter chassis, so it's technically on a van chassis, but we have the huge back and shower and beds, and we like that the bed is always set up. We don't have to constantly make the couch or whatever into a bed every day. So yeah, but kind of interesting.
How excited are you to be going back to our cozy little apartment?
Very excited. It's going to be interesting to see the state of things, because obviously has it been like 2 months or 3 months since we've been back? I think 3.
3 months?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Yeah, we really cannot wait. Obviously, we love living in Florida, and after a few weeks here during the cold season, it's going to be very homesick, I think we'll be, of the warm weather, but this is where his family is, so this is where we like to have a little home base, somewhere cozy. And it's going to be nice that I'll have a spot to like really deep clean the RV here, because we have been living out of the RV for the last 5 days, 4 days, 5 days. So it's very messy and I'm very excited to clean it. So yeah, Remy's been sleeping all day. I will say it does look extremely sad out here.
It really does.
Remy completely agrees.
Show him Remy's trick.
Oh. Remy gets up there all by herself now, and she's just gonna lay down and take a little nap. We were thankfully able to get her into the groomer today. She is definitely a road dog and is starting to smell like one. So, we're excited. Also, I cannot tell you the last time that I opened a can by myself. I usually just tap the top of the can 3 times and then magically it gets opened.
Very magical.
She just gave you guys a big old wet willy. Hope you like it. Hi.
Still montage, bro.
Oh. Lady! Oh my goodness! What a haircut! What a transformation!
Remy, show the camera. We're home.
We're home. It's actually really late at night. We've been home for half the day now, I'd say. We took Remy to get her haircut, as you guys saw, and I cleaned and organized, and yeah, now we're gonna put away the groceries.
Yeah, I think we'll go ahead and wrap it here. We thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe so you can join us on our next adventure. Leave a comment where we should go next. But we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.